Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how you can set up the Related List widget for our extension, Google Address Toolkit for Zoho CRM. After you install the extension, it is already set up for 3 different modules: Leads, Contacts, and Accounts. If we go to the Leads module, you can see that we already have a Map View button. If we open a record, we also have the Address Toolkit button. And if we create a new lead, we can see the Address Toolkit button there as well. These buttons are already set up by the extension. However, the Related List widget for the map view is not added by default, so we need to set it up manually. Now let's go to the Accounts module and create an account. I'm going to enter a sample account name. Then I will click on Address Toolkit. For the billing address, I'm going to enter Houston, Texas. For the shipping address, I'm going to enter Boston, Massachusetts. Now click Populate. You can see that the longitude and latitude fields are populated automatically. Now click Save. Alright, now we have all the information saved in the record. Next, click on Add Related List. Select Widgets. Search for Address Toolkit and click Install. Now give the related list a name and click Save. The page will reload. Now in the Related List section, we will have the Address Preview widget. Click on it, and you will see the map preview based on the addresses we set up. So this is how you can set up the Map View Related List widget for Google Address Toolkit for Zoho CRM.